In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile invoices, bills, spend, and receive money transactions in Xero. Reconciling ties your bank statement lines to the activity recorded in Xero so your numbers stay accurate. Open the bank account you want to work on and click Reconcile. You'll see each bank line on the left and Xero's suggested matches or options on the right. When Xero suggests a likely match for a payment or receipt, review the details carefully. Check the contact name, the amount, the date, and any reference to make sure it truly corresponds to the invoice, bill, or money transaction you expect. If it looks correct, click Match to select that suggestion. Then click OK to confirm. This links the bank statement line to the underlying invoice, bill, or spend or receive money transaction and updates its status accordingly. Think of this as locking in the connection so your bank balance and your accounting records stay in sync. If you don't see a suitable suggestion, use the search field to find it manually. Start typing the customer, supplier, or account name you recorded the transaction under, or part of the reference or description to narrow it down. Before you proceed, make sure the amount on the bank line exactly matches the amount on the item you're selecting. Accuracy here prevents duplicates and cleanup work later. When the correct option appears, click the checkbox next to it to choose that exact invoice, bill, spend money, or receive money transaction. Selecting with the checkbox ensures you're pointing the bank line to one clear item rather than something similar. To finish, click Reconcile. That final click completes the process for the current line and moves you on to the next one. Repeat the same flow for each bank line. Review the suggestion, match if it's correct, confirm with OK, or search by name, tick the checkbox, and reconcile. A few quick tips as you go. Reconcile frequently in small batches to catch issues early and keep the process manageable. Use consistent references on invoices and bills to make searching faster. If anything doesn't look right, pause and investigate before confirming. It's better to leave a line unreconciled temporarily than to force a wrong match you'll have to undo. Follow this routine and you'll keep invoices, bills, and your spend and receive money transactions accurately matched to your bank, your cash position clear, and your Xero file clean and up to date.